Guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have a big red box here. What's inside? Now, if you can see right here, fragrancebuy.ca. I have a really good one coming up. Just looking at the box, it's special looking. I don't know if that's how they do all their stuff. It's my first time buying from them. There's a plug. Right. Now, you can get a message right here from them. Nice touch. And it's not sponsored by them, but I mean they have the branding everywhere, right? So let's get straight into it. I almost unboxed it because I was so excited to see the product that I ordered. So this one here, I don't know if you could tell already. If you're a fan, you probably know. But I ordered the Issey Miyake or Encens. And with this one right here, it's one of the more rare releases. Right? It's part of their Middle Eastern collection. Now, with this one right here, just give me one sec. Yeah, so this one right here, it is one of the rare ones, as I probably stated earlier. When I ordered it on the website, it was like the last one that was left in stock. So lucky me. Alright, so let's get straight into it. I have no idea what this smells like. I only have the opinions of a few reviewers. Alright, so let's get past the plastic here. I really like the packaging. It feels really exclusive. Alright, so out of the plastic. And if you look here, that's not all, it gets more special. Wow, that's nice. This is probably the best packaging I've seen of any cologne I've bought thus far. Alright, so let's take it out. If you look right here, it says it or Encens. No, I believe that's supposed to be incense, right? And or means gold incense. If you look at the bottle, it's like a purplish kind of appearance. So I don't know if it signifies the character of the scent, but let's just see how it goes. Nice secure cap there. Alright, so time for the first spray to see what this is all about. 1, 2, oh. Oh wow. Yeah, so it's definitely a darker smell. It's really good, like it smells so well blended. I didn't expect this, but it's so good. Like you could smell the leather coming out. You get a hint of rose. And you definitely get that incense. Really good. Oh my goodness, I didn't expect this. Like, it's so good. Wow. Alright, so just based on the smell from the initial spray, it smells like pretty potent. Alright, this will definitely be with you throughout the day, but I'll just leave that down to my testing. If anything, I will do a follow-up on this, but based on what I've been seeing so far online, it should last you for maybe even 8 hours plus. Right, so there you have it, the unboxing of L'Eau d'Issey pour Homme or Encens. It smells really high quality, guys. So if you're into darker scents, right, the incense, the leather, I didn't see like oud listed on this, but It smells. It could just be a really good leather, but it's really good, guys. I definitely recommend this for cooler weather. But if you go light on your sprays, maybe two good sprays, right? You definitely you should be able to pull this off in the spring, um, and maybe like summer in the nights, right? Not necessarily for the days though. In summer, this might be a bit too heavy. However, overall, it's a really good scent, guys. Like if you're into darker scents, not like if you're into the whole Nautica Voyage. This is for the more advanced noses. And in terms of the person I see wearing this, maybe in the more mature, um, 25 and up. But if you have like a mature kind of attitude or spirit about you, you could pull this off, right? So just an age, arbitrary, 25 and up. Um, it smells. I mean, I can't speak to compliments as yet, but I definitely see this pulling some compliments. This is really good. Like, I mean, it's like I don't want to say sex in a bottle there. I said it, but it smells really good. Like for close quarters, kind of encounters. No worries with this one here. So that's my initial take on L'Eau de Issey pour Homme or Encens. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like or subscribe. And don't forget, it's from fragrancebuy.ca. I know it's been hard to find for some. They're out of stock now, but hopefully they'll get back some soon. Thanks for watching once again, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.